Hello again, and welcome to Lean Management Training by Simplilearn. Before we proceed, let us recap what we have learned in the previous lessons. Lesson 1 gave us an introduction about Lean. Lesson 2 was a study of types of waste. Lesson 3 discussed about various tools used in Lean. Lesson 4 detailed about Lean in manufacturing, while Lesson 5 talked about Lean in service. And Lesson 6 talked about Lean in the office. This is lesson number 7, and here we will talk in detail about Lean metrics. In the next slide, we will start with the agenda of what we are going to cover in this lesson, and then cover in detail Lean metrics. Here is the agenda. We will start with an overview of Lean metrics, covering why we need metrics and how to build one. After the overview, we will cover OEE, called as Overall Equipment Effectiveness, which evaluates and indicates how effectively a manufacturing operation is utilized. Then we will cover the metrics FPY, First Pass Yield. This measures ratio of output versus inputs, and RTY, Rolled Throughput Yield, is the probability of the entire process producing zero defects. The next metrics, days in inventory, measures the average number of days the company holds its inventory before selling it. Other critical metrics are scheduled adherence, attainment, and lean accounting. In the next slide, we will start with an overview of lean metrics. In this section, we will cover an overview of lean metrics. It seems too often to be the case that as the manufacturing operation grows, the measurement of the efficiency of performance becomes even harder. When sales orders go up, work in progress increases. When inventory build turnaround diminishes, all to the detriment of grasping how efficient or profitable each process is. Some assessment of financial, behavioral, and core process performances should be made on an ongoing basis to provide mutually supporting testimony to the total continuous improvement efforts of the company. For this reason, lean metrics have been established to allow a company to measure, evaluate, and respond to their performance in such a way that it does not sacrifice quality to satisfy quantity objectives, or increase inventory levels to achieve